welcome to City Grill. My name is Rob Vore. In this episode, baby back ribs on the grill. Done them many different ways. This time, I'm gonna change it up a little bit. I've already have the ribs, basically 2 racks right here, and I'm gonna use basically this Brookins barbecue chicken rub. This is really good. You can buy it online. There's plenty of other rubs you can put out there, but anyways, I already did the dry rub. It's on the meat already. So I'm gonna take it out on the grill, but I'm gonna slow cook it for at least 2 to 2.5 hours, only at like 150 degrees. So let's go out to the grill. Okay, I'm out on the grill. I've already got my grill on, and I'm trying to get it to about 200 degrees, 150, 200 degrees, somewhere in that neighborhood. So I'm gonna keep one burner, actually the 2 end burners. I've got a big enough grill. This burner and the far end burner are on the super low, and it's, I can put my hand on here, and it's just nice and warm. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place my ribs out here on the grill grates. If I don't drop my ribs here. And if you notice in the middle here, I have a pan of water. That's to help, the moisture in the air as this slow cooks. I do that with a chicken or a whole chicken or turkey. It really helps. So I'm gonna move these so it's not right on close by the heat element. But I'm gonna let these cook for at least a good 2 hours, and I'll rotate them along the way about every hour. So before I shut the lid, I'm going to go ahead and tent these up with a little bit of aluminum foil, just like that, to help keep the heat kind of right inside of there. And with that water, it's really going to make these tender and juicy once they get done. All right, it's been a good 2+ hours and several drinks later, so let's take a look here. I'm going to take off my aluminum foil. I've rotated these a little bit around the time here. So here's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to slide my grates over. I have that burner on, right? So I'm going to flip these over one more time, and I'm going to start to crank up the heat. I'll do the same thing for the other side. Want to be careful. Get ready to sauce these up. It's going to start flaming up here because of some of the fattiness off the baby back ribs. Oh wow, it smells delicious. So go ahead and do that. And go ahead and spread the. This is a Sweet Baby Ray's. I like this. This is pretty good. You can choose any kind of barbecue sauce you want, or make your own. That's fine as well. So go ahead and sauce these up. I'm going to let those go for a few more minutes, and then switch them. Flip it over and do the other side. Okay, I brought the ribs inside, and I'm going to go ahead and just cut right through here. And look at that! Oh man, those are going to be delicious. I can't wait. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get the recipe at citygrilling.com. See you next time.